Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlek puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan tan riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka lecturer jong ka Indian Institute of Professional Studies ka Miss Wan Pla nongrum kalayalam ya ka kenuhun jong Samla Pule mentami ke Jaboh Jabain kipat ba kilabret hasil Lynter ka Surok Naduh Dhankheti Shaduh Khyndailad kani ka kenuhun kala shim ya kani ka benta ban pun kuit ya ki Surok bakan longru kum gadak ka jingrakhi ya ka sni pennek Mariam lani ka World Environment Day. Lawan banyak snok ketilang na kasulong municipal board bat ke nomads.
So most of you have known me because you have come and visit our agency and you have been working with us, and I hope you enjoy working. And most of the time whenever you come to our office, I always say that I want to train you to become an army, right? An army for environment. So today you can showcase your responsibility towards environment. The real army who you are. So and some of you they have come to the institute to the agency to do a practice on me. My wish is my responsibility. The IPR is standing there waiting for us to start the program. Okay, so you just show a message that each one of us can do a bit towards the environment by not littering. Instead of littering your waste, you just keep it in your pocket and dispose it in a dustbin.
We welcome each and every one of you this morning and thank you for showing your concern by participating in this year's World Environment Day. So as responsible citizens of our own community and our own society, we should be considerate and we should be considerate towards our environment, and let us join hands together to make our environment a better place for us all to live in. I thank the staff and the students of Indian Institute of Professional Studies for collaborating with us for the second time this time. Yeah, I hope you all have fun and pick as much trash as you can. Thank you.
We are celebrating the World Environment Day, so let's make it successful. And as one of the students asked me, like we have to pick up the trash from the road. I said yes, this is a cleaning drive. So show that you are one of the responsibility students, that to show to the world or to the show it to the people that we need to make it clean, the environment, not to throw any time, like suppose you are riding a scooty or you are riding a bike or driving. Sometimes you eat anything and you just throw it outside. So that should not be experience. So show it that keep it inside your pocket, or when you go home and you have a dustbin and throw it there. So today, we will start. So I hope all of you are ready for that. So don't be shy. Okay. So when you go to the road, just pick up whatever you see and put it in the. They are making it ready with the bag. Keep it there. Okay. So hope you will all enjoy today's day and make it successful. So enjoy. Thank you.
right way in the right manner. Let's do our best toward the environment by having self-responsibility and be careful about disposing on litters. Ikinyot isay tungin bu ikinyot jongi habijaka pangidai bantu lada iway sa iway nani nila bande tangan ba ibaridro kado tala long kabagraw bagidyo ikapayan sa baklen kabagod pat kabanjirna play to go
Baro ka keteng jonga kadai Miss Wantula Nongro pangadai way naki lecturer hapo Indian Institute of Professional Studies ngadai na po department jong social work di mentaka kenti ni rakhi ka world environment day but kani ka konsep mo kadai ka khat ya ka vlogging ya kani ka vlogging ni khle lang ya ka sports but kum churu bangin tam ni ki Jaboh kiba kada ganti hasingking no kan dan ti kumjoro ni sapriang ni separate ya ni segregate ya ki Jaboh halai tili ki benta biodegradable non biodegradable but hazardous waste ti kermen mo amdai tang hakani ka kanti bangin shu ya tang bakadai ka world environment di ni ya penkhoi ya ka mariang saudong ka jongi nrai na kermen ru ba man kasni ke nile hindiat nakaliang jongi bangin ya bread ya ki Jaboh ki Jabain ya ki yeng ki sem ki jongi laning ida ya lenti hasingking ru inum ya bread ki ni thep ki pla ki jongi khnang ba ka mariang ka jongi kan itenat kan ipu kan iking bat kumjuru long bangin long kita ki bring ki ba dan ke jingkit kli amtang na bantay ka kam ka jam na jong lani ki jingkuli ki la jong ki kam ki jongi hinrai ka jingkit kli ru na banta ka mariang ka bangi ni emisa ke ni ai kublay ki ru marokaj ni collaborate ru bat ka Shillong Municipal Board bat kumjuru bat ka nomads adventure Shillong na banta ka program ko jongi ka banta kasni ya kani ka vlogging is dang na Dhankheti iya siya barik nang ta niya siya State Central Library nino siya High Court siya Shillong Club mangi penkut mentahang ni Police Bazaar ini kinyot nilaya keren bat di dekat batrai hapo Municipal Board kinwan shim maki kinyot dingin phone lada kinwan shim ru kin sa ayangi ka jaka pangimbo bakin sa wan shim hidin padai kini ka message kan long baik bangin ya pendunai ka jing pendan kam jongki plastik wat ladangi pendan kam ru minum ya bread shalenti se simking makalong ka Jaboh bat ka pensliu dur ya kamarian ka pensliu dur ya ka jinglong jong kamarian borok ka we ti kerpat yang hilang baro bangin ya snow tilang bangin minum ya bread pathari ke plastik ki Jaboh ke Jabain ti ini sedang nala ijong yeng isem di jongi bangin saya ya kan syaki community ki society ki jongi ke